How about articles?
Say again?
Articles?
Articles, yeah. It started. Was in the amusement business for 45 years, as you know, Rod, and as we got better, the word got out in the industry that we were running a pretty good little park at Frontier Village. And so these magazines and outside entities used to call us and ask us for information. And I had to write a couple of articles for a magazine. And then, no, not paid, I just had to write it. Part of my job, told Joe I was going to do it, and then it was published in one of the trades. And then I got called to go to a convention and talk about how well I was running the merchandise department. And it became at the end of the convention, the trade magazine, Amusement Business, covered the convention, and my whole speech was on the front page of it. And so they sent it to me to update and clean up and write. And so I did that. And then I was, it's getting long, sorry. I was then called to be on the safety committee for the IAAPA, International Association of Amusement Parks. There was a 12-member safety committee, only 12 members internationally, only 12 people in the world on this committee. And the normal time you're on the committee is 1 year, and I was on it 3 years. I finally had to retire because my dad got sick. But anyway, part of our job is we had to write an article a month for the industry magazine called Fun World. We had to write a safety article. So there was 12 guys, 12 months. Everybody wrote one a year. Well, guys were starting to call in to the editor and say, Lisa, I didn't get my article written. And she'd call me and say, Alan, can you write one? And one time she called and gave me 4.5 hours to write one, edit it, and email it to her in time for the book to be printed, the magazine to be printed. So I started doing a lot of those. And then when a man by the name of Eric Minton was a writer for Fun World, and he quit and moved off and opened his own magazine, e-magazine called On the Loop, In the Loop, I think it was. Anyway, he called me and asked me if I would write for his magazine, and then he said I'd pay you $400 an article. And so that was my first big immersion into paid articles. I had done a couple of light paid articles with a few bucks, but that was the first time. And so I wrote quite a bit for him, and he finally had to, he personally funded it, so he finally had to fold that down. So then I started looking for magazines to write for. I got in the habit of writing, and I got hooked up with the Tourist Attractions and Parks. I told you, these are new dentures. Anyway, they liked my stuff, and so in 2001 I started writing for them and wrote one a month. And actually, we're still writing for them now. Now they've switched it from articles to blogs, and now we do about 6 to 8 a year instead of the 12 that I was doing per year. But so, and then I tapered off and did other magazines, other industry magazines, and then also went and started doing magazines for safety and security industry. So that's how it all got started.
You've written for several different things like cars and guns, the gun articles.
Yeah, I'm working on a gun article. As I started doing more and more, and as I got closer to retirement, I felt I was going to need those articles as income. We didn't have to do that, but I always worried about the Tourist Attractions and Park magazine job drying up on me. So I figured I better stretch out into other topics. So I've done that, and that's how I got started on it. But the whole thing is making sure that you're writing a good piece, you're getting the writer guidelines from the magazine of what they want. Writing is all about, articles is all about word count. It's all about word count and making sure it's edited well. That's what the editors want. They want tight word count, whatever it is. They might tell you 300 words, 600 words, 1,500 words, and they also want it edited so well that they don't have to change it. Those are the two things that editors like in the articles.
Tips about selling your articles?
I think the main thing is everybody's an expert at something. Maybe you're an expert at making pies. Maybe you're an expert as being a nurse. So everybody has expertise. So start writing about your field that you're good at, that you're knowledgeable. You've got to be able to sell a knowledgeable piece. and then how-to articles are the key to making money. Emotional articles about their opinions about things really don't bring in the money, and really editors really don't want those. They want how-to pieces so they can tell their audience this is how you do that, and then they want them well edited. So the main thing is how-to articles about your expertise, and start small. Start with your local newspaper. Start with your community newspaper till you get practice writing and selling, and that's the way to go.